Hello, Gary Henry here. I'm the coordinator for the North Shore Trails out at Clinton Lake, and Jay Hawks and I are, Jay is a member of the North Shore Trails chainsaw team, as well as a KTC member and member of the Lawrence Trailhawks, and we are here to get some video of Jay removing a tree from the Red Trail out on the North Shore Trails. So Jay, I'm going to flip the camera and then take it away.
All right.
All right, Jay, thank you. And one more bar to the free navigation of the Clinton North Shore Trails has been removed. This is Gary and Jay saying over and out. Bye now.